Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download JazzCash on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. The fourth beginning, make sure that you are connected to an internet server. Turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data. And once you are connected, tap Open your Play Store. Go to the search box at the very top and type in JazzCash and search. The application that we are looking for is this one at the very top. If you tap on the app, you'll be able to see further information about the application. Simply tap on the Install button to quickly download the app for your Android. Your downloading process has begun. Wait until the app gets downloaded for your Android. It'll only take a couple of minutes depending upon an internet speed. JazzCash is a mobile wallet that is available for your Android and iOS. You can install all the new JazzCash app and experience seamless payment, transfer money to anyone, anywhere, at any time, pay utility bills, recharge your mobile balances, and much more. Once the application is downloaded and is installed on your mobile device, you will be able to see an Open Boston popping up right beneath or right next to the app. Tap to Open Boston to launch the app. Open. That is how you can easily download JazzCash application for your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.